Think you got one, and it goes away. Gets off, makes fun of you to all its fish friends. So let's talk about fly fishing. What is it? Well, basically, you're casting these tiny flies. They virtually have no weight, very less weight, to imitate the different trout foods that they eat. And in order to do that, you're casting with your fly line versus these, since they have no weight. And you're saying to yourself, but I don't like to fish for trout. Fly fishing is just for trout. That's not true. You can catch anything with a fly rod that you could catch with a spin caster. Trout, one of them, bass, pike, muskie, carp, catfish. I've seen people catch catfish. Anything you want to catch. Lots of salt water. You can catch the big saltwater fish with them too. So anything you can catch. Panfish. That's another one. Lots of kids like catching panfish. Even lots of adults like catching panfish, especially if they're big. You eat those ones. And you say, well, fly fishing's super expensive. I gotta have all this gear. No, you don't. All you need for fly fishing is a rod, a reel, fly line, a leader, and some flies. You can probably get started for about $100–150. Just about the same as what you would pay to spin cast. Just like any hobby, you can spend as much or as little on fly fishing as you want. That's it. That's all there is to fly fishing.